What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again, guys. I know it's been a long time since I uploaded a video on this channel, because last time I uploaded was April 12th, and that was 4 weeks ago. And the reason I have not been uploading on the channel is because I've been busy, and there was a particular week I wanted to upload on the channel, but that day I was not feeling well. The day I wanted to do the video, I was not feeling well. I had to go collect drugs, and I couldn't do the video again that day. And since then, I've not been uploading, and that's a break of it because if you've been watching my previous episode, I said I'll be trying my best to document the process of trying to get funded on this 5K PROPFIRM accounts. So I've broken that already. So the thing is that those weeks that I've not been uploading on the channel, I've been trading. Yes, I've been trading. I've been taking setups on the accounts. And I've been recording the setups that I take. So what I want to be doing in this video is that I just want to do a review of all the trade setups that I've taken in the past 4 weeks that I didn't upload here on YouTube. So I want to be doing a review, and because I have a Telegram personal channel that I created for myself alone. So what I do with that channel is that I upload images of the trade setup that I'm taking, that I have taken, or that I'm taking. I upload images of the analysis and the trade setup on that Telegram channel, and also I also upload a voice recording about the trade setup, like the confluences and the reason why I'm taking the trade setup on the Telegram channel. And also I also have like an Excel app on my phone. What I use that Excel app is that I use the Excel sheet. I created an Excel sheet. I use that Excel sheet to like record the trade setup also that I take. But what I record there is that I record the day, the date, the time, the entry price, the stop loss, the take profit, the lot size, the risk management, the risk on the trade, and the confluence for the trade, and the outcome of the trade. So I record it there on the Excel app also. And also I have a journal, a physical journal. This is my journal. I used to journal every trade setup that I take. But the thing there is that I've broken a rule with this journal. The last time I journaled a trade here was a trade that I took on the 17th of April. That's very bad. Because after that 17th of April, I've taken like 6 setup, but I didn't journal it here. I've missed it. So I've missed. I broke a rule with this journal, but on the Telegram personal account, I've been consistent with that, uploading every trade setup, image of every trade setup, the outcome, and the voice notes, talking about the conference and the reason why I took the trade setup. And on the Excel app on my phone, the sheet that I created, I've been consistent with documenting every trade that I take there on the Excel sheet app and the Telegram account. It's only on YouTube here that I've break a rule that I stopped uploading for the past 4 weeks now. And this journal, I stopped journaling for like I've stopped journaling. The last time I journaled here, it was on the 17th of April, and I have no journal like 6 straight, which is like over like 4 weeks that I haven't journaled with this on this physical journal here, and that's a break of it. But I'll be trying my best this week to this new week I'll be entering. That is Monday. Tomorrow is Monday. Today is currently Sunday, and tomorrow is Monday. I'll be trying my best to document every trade that I'll be taking the new week, and from there on, I'll be trying my best to document every trade in this physical journal, both on the personal. I'll stay consistent on the Telegram personal channel, and also the Excel sheet to journal every trade, and also on this physical journal right here. I'll try my best. So what I just want to do in today's episode is that I just want to give a quick review of all the trade setups that I've taken in the past 4 weeks that I've not been uploading on YouTube. And how I'll be doing that is that I'll be using the Telegram personal account, the Telegram personal channel, to review all the trades that I've taken. Because my phone is kind of faulty. Sometimes it just operates by itself. It just press it operates by itself. So I'll not be using trading view because I don't want to make this video too long. I just want to do like a quick review. And I'll be using Telegram accounts. And again, because my phone is 40, sometimes on trading view app is just kind of doing different stuff. So I just want to use Telegram for that. And the next thing, and that's what I'll be doing in this video. And I will not, another thing is that I will not be uploading video every week on the YouTube, on this channel again, because why? My school academic session has resumed, so I might not be having time to be posting every week, but I'll be trying my best to upload if it's once in a week. So we'll see about that, but I'll be trying my best to upload video on the progress on the PROPFIRM accounts, because I might not be having time to be uploading video every week due to, you know how academic session can be, a lot of registration here and doing other and classes here and there. So before I go into doing the review, so on the PROPFIRM account, last 2 weeks we were up 2% on the PROPFIRM account. That is $100 profit on the 5K PROPFIRM account. That was last 2 weeks. So this week that just ended, because today is currently Sunday, so this week that just ended, I took 2 trade setup on GEP, JPY on Monday, and GEP USD on Wednesday. The 2 setup were stop loss, and that took the account back down to 1% profit, because last 2 weeks we were up 2% profit, which was $100. So this week now, this week that just ended, due to the 2 stop loss that we took, the account came down back to 1% in profit, which is $50 on the 5K PROPFIRM account. So it's not been easy, but we keep going, we keep moving. So we've been up, down, so we keep going, and the account is still up in profit, but it's just that this week we took 2 stop loss that was brought the account down to $5,050, which is 1% profit on the account. So without wasting much of our time, if you like this kind of video, please subscribe, share, comment, and if you are new to this channel, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. So without wasting much of our time, let's go down. What is up, guys? Welcome to my screen. So like I said, I will be reviewing every trade setup that I took for the past 4 weeks. So guys, let's start. So the setup that after uploading my last video on the channel, which was on the 12th, so the setup that I took the following week was that was April 17, the following week, and that was, as you can see, I wrote today is day 17 of trading the Marvin PROPFIRM account. What I do is that every day I trade, I count the number of days that I'm trading this account also. So this is April 17, yeah. So this is April 17. Yeah, I was looking for a buy on GBP USD. So this is the daily time frame analysis. This is daily time frame. Yeah, this is daily time frame image. So this is the 4 hours image where I was looking for a buy, and it was already going in profits already. So this is my 15 minutes entry image. You see, as you can see, 15 minutes here. This is the 15 minutes entry image. Let me pop it up. This is 15 minutes entry image right here. So, and this voice note that I are seeing, this voice note, the 2 voice notes are the voice recording for the reason and the conference for entering the trade setup. So that's it. That's how I do it. And this was when the trade was going in profit. So, and as you can see, if you read below, read the image, I said GBP USD buy setup from yesterday closed in profit of 23 points, because the next day I closed the trade the next day. That was April 18, because the trade didn't do very well the day I placed it, but the next day, April 18, I closed it in $23.82 profit due to Easter holiday and low volatility in the market. Current balance on the account, current account balance, that's the PROPFIRM account balance as of that day after closing the trade, is now $5,049.57. P and L for the week, that's profit and loss for the week, is 23.82 cents, and that was the only trade I took for that week. Yes, that was the only trade I took for that week. That's April 17. I closed the trade April 18, and the trade was also to give us was also because the risk on the trade is 28, and it's also to give us around $56 profit. But due to the low volatility and instability, they had to close it on April 18. So I did another voice note, which is currently loading. I did another voice note, but I'll not be playing the voice note not to waste much of our time, talking about the reason why I closed the trade. So and I put that day that I closed the trade, I record the day again, the 18th of trading the market profit account, because I didn't take any trade that day due to Easter holiday and low volatility in the market. So I posted the image of the trade of the trade profits on the PROPFIRM account here. I posted it, and I wrote something at the below. I said profits and slash loss for the week was up profit 23.82. Current account balance for the week is now 5,049.57 cents. So that was how the week went. So the following week, April 22, I first posted this note that GBP/USD buy setup from last week that I closed. That trade that I closed due to the low volatility later hit my final take profits, but I closed on 1 to 1 RRR due to the Easter and bank and range markets we move. So I stated the reason why I closed the trade in profit of 1 to 1 RRR. So I put that because I didn't, before I put this message, I didn't record the day. So I now said yesterday was the 19th of the Marvin trading session, and I moved. So today is the 20th of the trading Marvin PROPFIRM account. So yeah, I was looking for sell on GBP, sell setup on GBP/USD daily time frame, and it was a sell limit. So this trade setup, this trade setup didn't hit our sell limits, and this trade setup was supposed to be a very good clean trade setup, but I hesitated on the setup. This sell setup that you are seeing currently, this is the daily time frame. It was on an uptrend, but market came on the 4 hours time frame into a resistance level, and market was holding that resistance level. That's why I was selling. I was looking for opportunities to sell. And the thing about this trade is that this trade gave me my confidence, my entry, but I was just hesitant. And that day was, I didn't wake, the way I woke up that day, I wasn't waking up to, I woke up, I was not even willing to risk anything on the PROPFIRM account. So this is with the trade setup. The trade setup didn't trigger our sell limits. It didn't trigger our sell limits, but it went down. As you can see, it went down. It was going down. I was even expecting to retrace back, so to tap our sell limits, but the trade didn't take us in. So this was the voice notes for the conference for the trade setup. If it tapped our trade, but since it didn't tap, we moved. And I wrote here order was not activated, so setup was invalid. So now the next day, day 21 of trading the Marvin PROPFIRM account. This is one of trading the Marvin PROPFIRM account. Here also, I was looking for a buy setup on GBP/USD daily time frame. So I was looking for a buy setup because we missed the setup yesterday. I was looking for a buy setup. I posted my entry price, my stop loss, my take profit, the risk $14, the percentage, and the losses I was using. So this was the 4 hours image, my 4 hours analysis image right here. 4 hours analysis image. Then 15 minutes. This is the 15 minutes, but the 15 minutes entry time frame and the everything. And this is the voice notes for the reason and the conference for the trade. So this is where I wrote stop loss hit on GBP/USD market did its thing. So the thing is that market took us out on stop loss and started moving in our direction again. So I re-entered the buy setup again that day because I was like, market is still giving me an entry confluence for a buy setup. I re-entered and got stopped out again. I entered using that same confluence that got stopped out the first time in the morning. I entered again and stop loss got it on this re-entry setup, as you can see. Put my voice note again for the confluence and the reason. So that's how we took stop loss that the 2 times on GBP/USD. So today is day 22 of trading the Marvin PROPFIRM. That was another day. So GBP buy setup was the setup for that the GBP buy setup. So this is the daily time frame image. So this is the 4 hours image currently loading. So this is 4 hours image showing my analysis on GBP JPY, and this is my 15 minutes entry image, GBP JPY buy setup 1 to 2 hour 15 minutes time frame, and my entry stop loss, take profit, and the risk. And I did a voice note on my reason for buying GBP JPY and my conference. So, and as you can see, take profit was hit on GBP JPY, and I wrote take profit hit on GBP JPY finally today. So the day I took the trade was April 24. The trade was an overnight trade, and GBP JPY hit my take profit the next day. So today is the 25 of trading the Marvin PROPFIRM account. Today is the 23 of trading the Marvin PROPFIRM account. No trade set up for today, but it was that day that GBP JPY hit my take profit, and I posted my account balance. So I now posted my account balance and the trades that I took for the week. This is the trade that I took for the week. For that week, that's the second week. That is the trade that I took for that week, and the account balance of the PROPFIRM. So below I wrote a note there that profits for and loss for the week, still in profit for the week. Unprofitable trades, I put it there, and profitable trades, and I put the profit for the week after minusing my loss from the win. The current account balance was now up 5,056. Let's see what next week got. We move. So these are voice notes from that I saved on this place. So new trading week. So this is the third week, and I put new trading week. I put the current account balance. Today is the, as you can see, I put the date is the 23 of trading the Marvin PROPFIRM account. No trade set up for today. That's the first day of the week. I didn't take any setup. So good morning, the 24 of trading the Marvin PROPFIRM account, and I was looking for a sell on GBP USD. I put my entry, my stop loss, my take profit, the risk, the lot size. So this was the daily time frame image on GBP USD. This is the 4 hours time frame. So I was selling GBP USD due to the resistance, the psychological level, and this is the 4 hours image. And if you come down to the 15 minutes and the chart pattern confirmation that I saw, so I sold GBP USD that day. I put the voice note. That's the reason, the confluence for the trade setup in the voice note recording. Then good morning the next day, that was day 25 of trading the Marvin PROPFIRM account, and I posted GBP USD sell setup from yesterday, currently at break even. That morning, well, it has surpassed break even, but that was the time I broke even on the trade setup at my own end, but it has passed break even already. And I put a voice note again. So the next image is a take profit image, where I was saying GBP USD sell setup finally it's my take profit 50.5 PROPFIRM account balance. That was the day we went up 2% on the PROPFIRM account, which brought the account to $5,106.23 on the account. That was the day we made 2% on the account. Then I recorded the voice note, and I put the PROPFIRM current account balance right here. This is the image of the current PROPFIRM account balance after the third week. So this was how we ended the third week. So another new week came. That was May. Okay, that's the trades that we took for the third week. So after that day, I didn't take any trade setup again after we made 2% on the account that day. No trade setup again. As you can see, $5,106. I didn't take any trade setup. The profit for the week, I wrote the profit for the week, the profitable trades taken for the week. It was only one trade setup that we took for the week. PROPFIRM current account balance, we are up 2% in profit. God is great. Let's see what next we got. So I posted another image of about back testing. So good morning, new trade. I posted again, good morning, new trading week, stay positive. Today is, I put the date is the day 27 of trading the Marvin PROPFIRM account. I put the account balance before at the beginning of the week, which is 5,106.23. So then on Monday that day, we got our first setup, GBP USD buy setup 1 to 2 RRR. I put my stop loss, my take profit, everything, the risk on the trades, the reward we are expecting, and the lot size. So we close. This is the daily image right here. Then this is the 4 hours image right here. Our entry conferences, this is the 4 hours analysis right here. We're using resistance broken, as you can see, resistance broken and it tested Fibonacci and 15 minutes chart pattern. So we took the trade setup and I record the voice note for the entry, the conference, and straight up stop loss. GPY took us out on stop loss. We lost 25.72. That was plus commission plus spread coins. Then I put the coins PROPFIRM account balance 5,080.51. So that was the day. So today was the 28th. That was on the 6th. The next day we didn't get any trade setup. Then May 7, which is the day 29 of trading the Marvin PROPFIRM account. There was no May 7, yes, the day 29 of trading the Marvin PROPFIRM account. There was setup that day, but I didn't know why I wrote no trade setup PROPFIRM balance, but that was no trade setup yet. That's what I want to write today. But that was a mistake that I had no trade setup because we got a setup that May 7, which was on buy on GBP USD. 1 to 2 hour, I put my entry, my stop loss, my take profit, the risk, the reward, and the lot size. Then this was the daily image, like the trend. This was an uptrend. So I came down to the 4 hours. This is the 4 hours image right here, looking for a buy opportunity after seeing market tap into, broke a resistance zone right here and tap, and it tested it and give us chart pattern on the 15 minute time frame. I took the buy on GBP recorded the voice notes for the reason and the conference for entering it, and voila, we took stop loss on that one again on GBP that day. So we record GPS stop loss it on GBP minus 23.10. Then I recorded a voice note talking about the trades, the stop loss for the week. Then I wrote 2 trade setup for the week, stop loss it on both setup. And the reason why I recorded this was that my rule is to reach just 1% per week. So after losing on after taking a loss on GPS and GPGPY for the week, I've already used my 1% risk for the week, so I was not even trading for that week anymore again. That's why I just put 2 trades for the week, stop loss it on both, and I put the current PROPFIRM account balance, which I wrote 5,056.96. So these are all the trades that we've taken for the past 4 weeks, and this is the current account balance. So I'll be going to the prop to show you the account balance of the PROPFIRM. So I'll be opening on the prop, showing you the account balance. So showing the account balance. Sorry guys. So sorry, I don't know why this thing is not here. As you can see, same equity and same balance, $5,056.96 is our current balance. So let's see what next week got for us. So that's all the trade setup that we've taken in the past 4 weeks. That's all the trade setup we've taken in the past 4 weeks on the account. And as you can see, the account balance on the PROPFIRM is the same here on the current PROPFIRM account balance. So guys, as you can see, this is the current account balance on the PROPFIRM account. So, and the Excel sheet that I use in recording, recording my trades also, as I said, I have on my phone. So this was the So this is the Excel sheet. You see, as you can see, date section, entry time, pair, instruments, order type, entry price, stop loss in pips and price, keep profit in price and pips, lot size, risk percentage, risk to reward, trade confluences, PROPFIRM where the trade is taken, exit time, and outcome. Under the outcome, that's where we have the stop loss, the take profits. The stop loss, the take profit, and the break even. So any trader, it's stop loss, take profit, I mark it over here. So this is As you can see, this is where I journal all the trades also. So guys, that is all the trade setup we took. That's all the trade setup we took for the past 4 weeks that we've not been uploading on YouTube, on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share and comment. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you guys.